Hello, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping, and this video is about how to protect your plants when there's going to be a frost. There's been a lot of cold weather lately here in the Phoenix area. Anytime it's going to be under 35 degrees, it's really not worth taking the chance, and we highly recommend when you have plants that aren't desert adaptable, like this hibiscus behind me, or if your younger plants or even a lot of smaller plants are really prone to frost. So even if a younger tree, you might want to protect in the early stages of its life, like it's under a year or two of age, you definitely want to do this type of protection just to be careful and see if you can get it through the frost. I'm going to try to tie it here at the bottom. On each side so that the wind doesn't carry it. And you can actually take this off once it warms up the following morning. You can take it off and let it absorb some sun during the day. Once again, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website at azlawns.com. Also, check us out on YouTube and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping. Also, check us out on Twitter and Instagram at azlawns. Make it a great day.